can you take the shortest time in order to solve this maths problem? So worry not. Let's now start with the solution. So on the solution part, you can also try it on your side so that now we shall compare the answers at the end of this working out. So now we shall have 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a is equals to 400. So the first thing that we need to do is to factorize 5 to the power of a plus 5 to the power of a. So here now we shall have 5 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is equals to 400. So let's now work out the number that is inside the bracket. So we shall have 5 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2 is equals to 400. So the next part is now to divide both sides by 2. So divide by 2, divide by 2. So that 2 by 2 now shall cancel. So that now 5 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once 2 into 400 is 200 is equals to 200. So we shall now introduce the log on both sides. So here now we shall have the log of 5 to the power of a is equals to the log of 200. So assuming that according to the law of exponential or logarithm, when you have the log of k to the power of m, so this one now we can write it as m, the log of k. So here now we shall have a, the log of 5 is equals to the log of 200. So here now we shall now divide both sides by the log of 5, then divide by the log of 5, then also here divide by the log of 5. So log 5 and log 5 shall cancel each other, so that now the value for a is equals to the log of 200, then all over the log of 5. So let's now simplify it completely, so that now the value for a is equals to, so the log of 200 can be written as the log of 10 multiplied by 20, then shall put it into bracket, then all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have the log of a multiplied by b, this one can be written as the log of a, then plus the log of b. So here now we shall say that the value for a is equals to the log of 10, then plus the log of 20, then all over the log of 5. So we shall now say that, so the value for a is equals to, so log 10 can be written as the log of 5 multiplied by 2, then into bracket, plus, so the log of 20 can be written as the log of 4 multiplied by 5, then into bracket, all over the log of 5. So next the value for a is equals to, so here now we shall now have the log of, so now we shall have the log of 5 plus the log of 2, then plus the log of 4, then plus the log of 5, then of this all over the log of 5. So we shall now divide both sides by the log of 5, so that the value for a is equals to, so we shall now have log 5 all over the log of 5, then plus log 2 all over the log of 5, then plus log 4 all over the log of 5, then plus log 5 all over the log of 5. So now when we cancel everything out, so we shall remain with a is equals to, so log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so here now we shall have 1 plus, so log 2 all over log 5, because we cannot cancel that one out, then plus, so we shall have log 4 can be written as the log of 2 to the power of 2, then all over the log of 5, then plus log 5 and log 5 shall cancel, so here now we shall remain with 1. So a now is equals to, so we shall say that 1 plus 1 is 2, so now we shall have 2, then plus, so in this case this one now shall say, still have it as the log of 2 all over the log of 5, then plus, so here now we shall have 2 the log of 2, then all over the log of 5. So assuming that we have, for example, the log of a all over the log of b, according to the law of exponential, here now we shall have the log of a to the base of b. So now our final answer for this one now shall be, the value for a is equals to 2 plus, So here now we shall have the log of 2 to the base of 5. Then from there now we shall have plus 2, then the log of 2 to the base of 5. So now these are now shall qualifies to be our most correct and the best answer. So I hope that you got this one as the most correct answer. So let's now confirm it within the shortest time possible. So confirming, let's bring the problem. So the maths problem that you had, so we had 5 to the power of a, then plus 5 to the power of a is equals to 400. So here now we shall have it as, so instead of writing a, we shall write the maths problem. So now we shall have it as 5 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 2, then the log of 2 to the base of 5, then this one plus here, then plus 5 to the power of 2, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus, so plus 2 the log of 2, plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 5. So this one now shall be is equals to 400. So here now we shall say that, so we shall write it as still as 5 to the power of 2, then the plus shall change to multiplication, so we shall have 5 to the log of 2 to the base of 5, then the plus shall change to multiplication, 5 to the power of, so the log 2 shall be written as the log of 4 to the base of 5, then the plus shall still have plus, then 5 to the power of 2, then multiply by 5 to the power of the log of 2 to the base of 5, then multiply by 5, then this we shall now have it as the log 4 to the base of 5 is equals to 400. So we shall now say that 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 5, that is 25, multiplied by, so the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5, so now we shall have 2 multiplied by, the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5, so now we shall have 4 plus 5 to the power of 2 is 25, then multiply by, the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5, then shall have 2 multiplied by, the log to the base of 5 shall cancel this 5, 4 is equals to 400. So let's now work it out by now having 25 multiplied by 2 is 50, 50 multiplied by 4 is 200, then plus, so this one is also 200 is equals to 400. So what is 200 plus 200? So the answer is 400 is equals to 400. So meaning that the answer that we've got is very correct. When we say that the value for a for this maths problem is equals to 2, then plus the log of 2 to the base of 5, then plus 2 the log of 2 to the base of 5. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you and see you on our next video.